Hello guys, this is ICT Dinesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my Twitter page. I post my trade breakdowns so you can follow up here and you can see that daily updates, what are the entries I took. Last week is pretty big for me because I nearly took four entries. The four entries are TP. I think this on Monday I took this long. See, here I took the entry. Tuesday I didn't took any entry. It's a Wednesday. I took in a years. It's Thursday I took sell entry. Okay, this one is Friday entry. I took long in NQ. And one more thing is, I executed all the trades with a 5 minute confirmation last week. I see good win rate in 5 minutes. I don't know how because of this week price action or not. So this is the last week price action. And if you see the daily candles, you can note that the Friday seems a big down close candle. It's because of Trump. He put 100% tariff on China. So only the market crashed. Nearly $700 billion value is liquidated. Before that, the price is in bullish trend only. You can see that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all the price is in a bullish trend only. There is no sign for bearish in daily candles. But on Friday, the whole trend is shifted. And see here, everything is nearly it's dropped 1,200 points. It's huge because if you compare the daily candle before the days, it's average between 200 to 400 only. This one's 380, then 400. Like that only. But on the single day itself, the price dropped too much. And the luckiest part is I closed my entries on Friday before the news release and I done for the week. So let me break down the price action and the trades, how I took in a lower time frame and the higher time frame context one by one. If you're planning to buy account to trade forex or crypto or commodities, I will recommend you Bright Funder because they're running 20% off on all challenges. And also you'll get 50% profit share from the challenge phases. The code is October 20, which is a OCT 20. So it's a time limited. It will expire on October 30. And also this firm have 4.7 rating in a trust pilot, which is good. And also the most important thing is the payout processing time. It's only 4 hour average and you can request the payouts 7 days once. To buy accounts, check my description to get link. For Monday, you can see here in the previous week Friday candle is traded into the daily FVG. So the next thing is the Monday will be an expansion because here the FEG is holding the price. So I targeted Friday high is my dual. So let us see the NY price action. Okay. Here you can see that the price just took that high before the 9:30 open. I didn't trade at that 9 a.m. Q3 because here the DO hit. As for now, there is no DO for me. So I waited for the 9 a.m. close so that I can see that 4 hour close. Based upon the 4 hour close, I can fix my DOL. Here, if you see 4 hour, the price is in still bullish because the 6 a.m. candle is closed above that 2 a.m. candle. So it shows the next DOL will be 6 a.m. high. After taking that high, the market will reverse or not. Okay. Until we can target this as a DOL, which means 6 a.m. high. Based on the candle closure, you can trade, you can fix your DOL and in the next day model, right? Based on the previous candle close, you can target those highs and lows. Okay. So here you can see that it created one tiny 4 hour FEG and also the price is respected to that 1 hour FEG here. So now our target is this dual. So I waited for 10 a.m. open to sweep this low and after the confirmation, I entered in this trade. Then I target this high in 5 minutes. So this is the 5 minute structure. Okay, here the price took that low at 1040. So we can enter after this IFEG. Okay, in this candle, I entered after closing. I entered here and put my stop loss here. I targeted two on this. Okay. my TP hit. So this is how the Monday ends. Okay, for Tuesday, what I plan is on Tuesday also I expected to long. Initially my target is this high only. So let's see the 1 hour structure here. Okay, on this day also the price took that high before that 9:30. So here also my dual hit pre-AM session. So what can we do here means only thing is you have to wait for any confirmation. So I waited for that 9 a.m. closure. Okay, here the 9 a.m. closed as a rejection candle. You can see here. But the 4 hour closed like a bullish candle here. So that only I planned long setup here from this order block, but price doesn't give any confirmation in this order block. I waited for that price should reverse from this order block. But the price doesn't give any confirmation here. So I closed the day, but the price sell off in 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. See, the price just drops. And let's see the Wednesday price action. For Wednesday, I have two buyers for sell side and also for buy side. Let me explain in lower time frame chart. Before that, if you see here, the price in daily candle is not creating any order for shift. It gets supports from that week open. I didn't see that. And also it created SMT, see, with Friday candle. ES created SMT. With this SMT only, I get entered a long setup. Before that, I drop into 4 hour chart. So what I plan here is the price will continue the trend to downside from this FVG, but price doesn't react to this FVG. It created SMT to long. So I entered long setup in ES. I'll explain in ES chart. Wait. Here the price created SMT in this low. So let's see NY price action in 1 hour chart. Okay. If you look here, it seems like it's a retracement candle, but in market, you have to note the day highs and lows before the NY session. If you look here, the low is set at 2 a.m. and also it's in the 2:30. It's a valid low based on the time. And also in this low, we had SMT with NQ. You can see here. So this low is confirmed now because of this SMT, and also it created order flow shift. Here you can see that the price created IFVG. So now our key level is this FVG and our target is this high, which means Tuesday high. I get confused with the NQ here because we have 4 FVG here and also the price shifted here. You can see that 8 AM close. It created a IFVG, but ES doesn't create an IFVG. So I expected if NQ will sell to this low. After that, the price will set the low and it will reverse. So that I plan. But here the price created again on SMT. Let me show that. See, the 9 a.m. is swept that 8 a.m. low and it shifted. I entered in this IFVG. I put my stop loss here and I targeted 2 hour. So the 9 a.m. open itself distributed here. Let me show that. See, on 3 candles, I hit my TP. Okay, this is how the Wednesday ends. Let's see the Thursday price action. If you look here for Thursday, I was in bullish because the price before the day candle is closed above this wick and it's created a order block in daily candle. So this was my key level and my DOL is this high. So I entered long setup here. Let me show you in 1 hour chart. So in daily candle, I expected long setup, right? But in 1 hour, I plan for sell entry because the price is in premium. If you take dealing range for this price action means. So this was the Wednesday high. The price open itself took that high and it's creating a retracement move. So what I plan is the daily candle will be like this. So right, that you should profile the daily candle. If the day candle from the open itself, it's the Asia and London drop like this means the New York will set low here and it will reverse. But if you look here, the price is above the key level and also it's in premium. So I expect 9 a.m., 10 a.m. will be a retracement move and also it will be a stronger move. My DOL is this low because this one's a discounted FVG. Okay, if the price is nearer to this key level means I only look for long setup, but the price is above and it's a tool in premium. So I plan sell setups here. For this, the key level is so 4-hour OB. See, this was the 4-hour OB. So the 4-hour OB is my key level, and our target is this low. So in 1 hour, so I waited for the SMT at 9:30 with ES. So here you can see that here the 9 a.m. created a SMT in this high and it's dropped. ES took that high, 2 a.m. high, but NQ doesn't took that high. So I entered sell setup in this candle in 5 minutes, but I entered late entry in 5 minutes. In this CAST only, I entered and put my stop loss here. The price is respected to this FPG. So I targeted this low. Here I getting L2 or because this high is protected and also this high is protected because it's also created a SMT with ES. You can see that. See, the price is created SMT, right? So I put my stop loss here and I targeted this low and I get TP. So my TP hit. So this how the Thursday ends. Let me see the Friday price action. What I plan for Friday is the Thursday candle is respected to this daily order block. The price is like rejection candle. So I targeted this high is my DOL, which means Thursday high for Friday. So let's see the NY price action. Here you can see that the price is get respected to this FEG and also it's created IFEG. So the price is still bullish. So I only plan for long setup here, which is the 9 a.m. open low high close. Here I entered with confirmation of YMSMT in 50 minutes. In 50 minutes, if you look here with the YM, here the price created SMT in this low. Okay. So that low should be a protected low and I dropped here into 5 minutes. So here I waited for confirmation in 5 minutes. To long, I waited for that 5 minute IFVG because this low is protected low, right? With YM it created SMT and also the low set in discount level, this one. So waited for this 5 minute to close IFVG, then I long here. So then I enter long setup. And 9:25, the price created IFPG. You can see that. And I entered here in this candle. I put my stop loss in this flow and I targeted 2 hour. So that's it. Okay. So within two candle, the price hit my TP, but many of them entered a sell setup on Friday, I think, um, because it created SMT with Thursday high with ES. Here they entered and set their TP in this low, I think. In favor of the Trump release, the price dropped here. You can see here, wait. I will put in 15 minutes. So, see, those who hold this sell entry, I think they made a nice profit. Before the Trump speech, I made my profit on for that day. That's it. So this how this weekend ends. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Because I'm explaining my point of view in market. It will improve your high time frame price reading and the logics what I'm seeing in market and apply these things in live market. You will get more clear in price action. To support me, use my affiliate codes while purchasing your accounts. For Forex, you can use that 5 years, Bright Funded, and also Blue Orange features. And also, I have a public Discord, which is a Candle Crew. You can see that links in my description. So, who wants to join can join there. We will conduct weekly meetings once in the month. You can join there and ask your doubts. And most of them are not following me, only watching the videos. Make sure subscribe my channel, like and share it. That's it, guys. Thank you. We'll see you next week. Bye bye.